How to install HACS, the Home Assistant Community Store, in under 2 minutes. Make sure you have advanced mode enabled in settings and are running Home Assistant version 2024.4.1 or newer. Start by clicking Add-ons, Add-on Store, click the 3 dots, and go to Repositories. Enter this one that is linked in the description. Once it is added, refresh your page, click on the new add-on and install it. Once it is installed, start it and wait a couple seconds for it to initialize. And then go back to Settings and restart Home Assistant via System. Once Home Assistant has started, go back to Settings, go to Devices, Add Integration, and search up HACS. Agree to all the boxes and press Submit. Enter this code and go to the GitHub link, sign into your account, and activate it. This information is censored as it shares confidential information such as your IP address. Once you've entered it, go back to Home Assistant and it should be finished initializing. Press Finish and you have installed HACS.